This video walks you through how to run a profit and loss report in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen and click Reports. This opens the reporting area where Zoho Books groups financial reports by category. In the Reports section, find Business Overview and open the Profit and Loss report. This report gives you a summary of income and expenses for a selected period. So the next step is to make sure the reporting dates match what you need to review. At the top of the report, select the date range you want to use. Choose the period that fits the report you are preparing, whether that is the current month, a quarter, a fiscal year, or a custom range. Make sure the dates are correct before moving on, since the report totals will update based on this selection. After that, choose the report basis. You will usually see options for accrual and cash. Accrual shows income and expenses when they are recorded, while cash shows them when money is actually received or paid. Select the basis that matches how you want the report to be presented. If you need to adjust the report further, click More Filters. This step is optional, but it is available when you want to narrow or customize the information shown. Depending on your setup, filters can help you focus the report before you generate the final view. Once your date range, report basis, and any optional filters are set, click Run Report. Zoho Books will generate the profit and loss report using the options you selected. If the report takes a moment to load, wait for it to finish so you can review the updated figures on screen. Now review the report details. Look through the main financial sections, including operating income, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and net profit or loss. This is where you confirm that the report reflects the period and reporting basis you intended to use. If something looks off, check the date range or basis again before moving ahead. If you need a copy outside Zoho Books, go to the upper right corner and click Export. This lets you download the report for sharing or record keeping. If you need a printed copy instead, use the print option from the same area. Both of these actions are optional, depending on how you plan to use the report after reviewing it. By following these steps, you move from the main Zoho Books dashboard to a finished profit and loss report with the exact reporting period and basis you selected. Your profit and loss report is now generated in Zoho Books and ready to review, export, or print.